I am so excited because I have a Christmas gift idea that I'm going to make for my friend. I ordered this online because I went to get it at Target. They didn't have it, and it finally came in today. Let me show you. It's a build your own snow globe, and it's perfect because it looks very much similar to Taylor Swift's Lover snow globe. This thing has not been in stores for a long time now. I believe it was in stores at the time when my friend wasn't even a Swiftie yet. Kind of disappointed in her. But she loves the song Lover. She loves all things Taylor Swift. And I just feel like this would be a really cute gift. So I'm gonna make it. Now let me break down the significance of this Lover snow globe a little bit better for you. The Lover snow globe was in the music video to Taylor Swift's song Lover. She sold it on her shop for a short amount of time before it quickly sold out, and everyone wished that they bought it sooner. At the time of filming this, there was absolutely none available you could buy anywhere across the internet. Currently, there is one on eBay for 42 watchers on it, and guess how much money it's worth? $1,800. The last one sold was on December 12th for $3,100. So I'm going to be attempting to make this exact snow globe from scratch, and this is the journey. The base. First of all, it came, I'm not even gonna say. You got the base. It's kind of hollow in there. So I got this from the dollar store. Doesn't fit like that. Doesn't fit like that. So I'm gonna shave it down. Okay, so this is not my best look. I tried to hide my bad hair day with the hood, but the hood is like tiny. It's like tiny. If this is your first time seeing me, I don't look like this. So I got the snow globe and I went to Hobby Lobby and I got some supplies. But before we do that, well, let me tell you. Okay, so I got clay because I couldn't find a wooden house, even though you think that would be so easy. I couldn't find a wooden house. So we're gonna be making it out of clay, and the tree is out of clay, because you would think it'd be easy too, but since it has to be a very specific size to fit in the snow globe, clay is just the best option. So first things first, I got paper. Okay, so I'm going to make a little model house so that I can make sure that it fits in the snow globe before I make it out of clay, because I have only enough clay for one shot at this. So we're gonna measure this first. Oh shoot. Wait, it has to match the picture. I need to print the picture out first. I am so glad I thought about that.
Anyway, so I didn't have to do all of that. There's some other players in the game.
Okay, so I made the clay house by first rolling out the clay as thin as I could while making it thick enough to where it could still stand on its own and not crack and fold and break. But this actually took a little bit of time because you had to mold the clay to kind of warm it up and get it to stick together, and I used a rolling pin to flatten it out. I then cut it with a pizza cutter along the cutout that I printed from the Lover house, so I know it's the perfect size. To make the trees, I rolled the clay into this cone-like shape. Then I used scissors to cut and make it look like the leaves, using kind of a pattern but also random to make it a little bit more natural looking. I continued that cut all the way down and left a spot at the bottom so I can cut it off and it would sit flat just like that. When the clay baked, it ended up warping, as you could see. So I actually color matched with paint that I had to try to cut out cardboard and use that as the walls of the house. this point, the gaps in the super glue in the house made it look a little bit too homemade for me. So I ended up using clay, putting it over it, but I couldn't bake the clay since I had already baked the house and had Mod Podge on it. But it turned out looking really good just like this, and it's not going to be touched in a snow globe, so it worked. I then added snow on the trees by lightly dabbing a sponge brush with white paint on the trees. This look turned out amazing. I'm obsessed. This base piece that looks like a hurricane is cotton, and it's super glued to the base to look like snow. I also super glued toothpicks to the house so that it could stick in the base and not move. I also did the same with the trees. When I baked them, I put toothpicks in them so that it would be easy to put it on the base. It's coming together and I'm so excited. At this point, the house is looking super cute, but I added a little bit of spice by putting some cotton on the roof to make it look like snow. Here I am adding some glitter to make it shine and look a little bit more like snow. Okay, now ready? Here's the finishing touch that I don't think you saw. Look.
Oh, wow.
He didn't see it, and neither did you, so let me fill you in. See that little lover writing on the snow globe? I wanted to include that, so I got some sparkly pink paper from my grandma. Thank you, Grandma. And I sat with scissors and did the best I could to cut it out and make it say lover.
You did that?
Yes, it's lover.
Wow.
And it's gonna go right there.
Mm-hmm.
You see her cut out lover?
Yes. How did you cut it out?
Scissors was like,
You did?
it was so hard. At this point, with it all assembled, I am obsessed with how it looks, but it is time for the moment of truth. Look at that!
Good.
Thanks. Can I put hot glue on this rubber thing? I don't know, but I need to know right now. Then I got super lucky and found these gold embellishments at the store, which I did not film, but I super glued onto the snow globe, and it made it look even more like the real Lover snow globe. I'm filming. No, I'm filming myself, but I'm just letting you know.
It's been a lot of stuff.
You're fine to talk though. So,